What should I do if she stays silent for a long period of time without reaching out? Navigating her silence, a strategic guide to reclaiming interest. Step 1. Identify the phase of her silence. To handle this correctly, you must first diagnose why she is silent using the red light phase. Her silence is not a single thing, it is a signal that requires a specific response. If it is a soft red light, which is a minor drop in effort, this happens if she has become too comfortable or if the relationship feels routine. She isn't leaving, but she isn't actively pursuing you right now. The sign is that her replies are slower, or she stopped initiating contact, but there is no obvious conflict. The strategy is to apply a gentle rebalancing of energy. Reduce your availability. Stop being the one who always initiates. Focus on yourself. Instead of waiting for her text, get busy with your own life. The goal is to make her notice that your attention is no longer a guaranteed or predictable thing. This creates enough doubt to trigger her own interest. If it is a hard red light, which is clear emotional withdrawal, this happens if she is actively pulling away, asking for space, or showing emotional coldness. The sign is that she asks for space, cancels plans frequently, or acts cold and indifferent. The strategy is that you must step back completely and give her genuine space. Stop the chase. Do not try to convince her or fix it by talking more. If you chase a person who is pulling away, they will only run faster. Respond with calm. If she messages you, reply politely but briefly. Do not send long, emotional paragraphs if she is sending one-word answers. The goal is that by being calm, you show that your emotional stability does not depend on her constant presence. This makes her wonder why you aren't reacting with desperation. If it is the blackout phase, which is a breakup or major conflict, this is when the relationship has reached a breaking point or a formal breakup. The sign is statements like, "I think we should stop talking," or "This isn't working." The strategy is that you must follow the strict rules of the blackout phase to protect your dignity. Maintain absolute silence. Do not initiate contact, do not send emotional messages, and do not check her social media constantly. Focus on personal growth. Use this time to actually improve yourself so that if or when you return, you are a better version of yourself. The goal is that your silence communicates self-respect and independence. It creates the uncertainty needed for her to question her decision. The biggest mistake regarding silence. The mistake is chasing or begging. When a woman goes silent, your instinct as a man is often to lean in harder, to send more messages, ask, "What's wrong?" and try to force an emotional connection. This is a fatal error because it signals low emotional stability. If she is pulling away and you chase, you create pressure, which causes her to pull away even further. Personal wisdom for your situation. The golden rule: never chase what is running away. Instead, become the person worth chasing. The simple formula, silence plus self-focus equals increased curiosity. A key truth: silence is not a void to be filled, it is a tool to be used. If you use your own silence effectively, she will eventually move from testing you or withdrawing to making a genuine effort or reconnection. The rule of dignity: always prioritize your own self-respect over the need for her attention. If you respect yourself, she will eventually respect your presence.